People ask me all the time if buying a combo grill is the way to go, and I unilaterally tell them no, with one exception. What if the best combo grill on the market wasn't actually a combo grill? In this video, I'm going to give you 7 reasons why I think the best combo grill doesn't look anything like the combo grill you've been looking for. I'm David Gafford, and I help people gain skill and confidence in outdoor cooking by helping them get the right gear and teaching them how to use it. We tested more than 60 cooking appliances last year, and there was one that not only competed in multiple categories, but excelled in both. This is the Griddle Primate, and it's not a combo grill, or is it? Most combo grills in the traditional sense usually aren't great, and I normally wouldn't recommend that you buy one. I get why they're attractive though. They can save some space on the patio when you want to be able to cook multiple ways, and space is limited. Now, it seems like you're getting 2 grills for the price of one, but the trade-off is that they tend to be jacks of all trades and masters of none. While they can do multiple functions, they don't really excel at either. They either don't leave enough cooking space for the griddle or the grill side, or there's not enough power because they're splitting it up between 2 separate cooking functions. Now, with all of those things in mind, we're going to take a look at the Griddle Primate to see if we can get all of the benefits of a combo grill without any of the trade-offs. Now, the Griddle Primate is 100% gas grill and 100% griddle, not 50-50, it's 100-100. Without spending a dime over the base price of what is currently $10.99, you actually get 2 full cooking appliances in one. I'm about to tell you 7 reasons why I think the Griddle Primate should be your next combo grill, but if you want to check out any of the products I'm mentioning, there are links in the description below. Pricing is always changing, but to see the current pricing, just click the link down in the description. Now, the first reason why you should look at the Griddle Primate as your next combo grill is that it comes with 3 removable heavy-duty stainless steel grill grates, offering 663 square inches of grilling space over 4 burners. It also includes a full steel griddle, providing 490 square inches of flat top cooking space. The griddle and grill grates are easily exchangeable depending on the way you feel like cooking from day to day. It's like having a full Blackstone style griddle and a full Weber style gas grill, but only taking up the space of one unit on the patio. Number 2, the Primate comes with a fully stainless steel cart. The cart has 2 side shelves with tool hooks and a rod for holding paper towel, but what I love about it is that it's all stainless steel. We've had this Primate on our patio for over a year now without a cover, and this is how it looks. The stainless steel is a game changer when it comes to holding up to the weather. Number 3, the Primate can also be built into your outdoor kitchen. I don't know if you've taken the time to look at outdoor kitchen grills lately, but there is a very short list of grills around the $1,000 mark that you can install into an outdoor kitchen. Grilla recently released their own outdoor kitchen modular pieces, and the Primate can be installed both as a grill and a griddle in an outdoor kitchen setup. All right, in just a second, I'm going to tell you how the Primate performs as a gas grill, but I want to pass a question off to you. Tell me in the comments below, have you ever had a combo grill that you actually liked and were happy with? Or did you quickly grow dissatisfied and wish you'd gone with something different? Tell us your combo grill stories down in the comments. At number 4, the Primate comes ready to hook up to a propane tank, but it can also be converted to natural gas if that's your preference. I don't know of any other combo grill on the market where you can use propane or natural gas for fuel. Most are propane only, and I love that this grill can go either way. The Griddle Primate represented well in our Best Gas Grill Roundup this past fall. I'll put a link in the card above and in the description below if you're interested in watching that full video to see how it stood up to the competition. Facing the likes of Weber, Napoleon, and Broil King, the Primate held its own in spite of its dual functionality. It was the only stainless steel grill and cart. It had the largest grilling capacity of the 4 grills and had the most powerful burners, putting out 60,000 BTUs, which leads us to number 5, it gets hot fast. Our testing confirmed that when the Primate was the fastest grill to preheat to 500 degrees in only 4 minutes, and then went on to reach a high temperature of 953 degrees Fahrenheit. With temperature capabilities like that, a good sear is easy to achieve no matter the protein. Now, another part of our testing was checking for temperature evenness across the grates. We put high temperature air probes in 5 different zones across the grill. The primate only saw a difference of 100 degrees across the grates, tying with Weber for the best results in this test. All in all, when up against 3 other gas grills costing several $100s more, the Griddle Primate held its own in nearly every test we performed. Next, we're going to take a look at the Primate as a griddle, but first, if you're getting value out of this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want more videos just like this one. Last summer, we put the Primate up against 7 other outdoor griddles in a series of tests, and once again, it really performed well in most of the tests we ran. We found that the griddle surface was able to preheat to a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit in just about 5.5 minutes, and the heat was fairly even from front to back and side to side. Admittedly, it wasn't our best performer of the group, but it was far from the worst, which brings us to number 6. The griddle performs really well in the wind. We performed a wind test where we attempted to cook a pound of bacon while blowing a fan across the griddle surface to simulate what it would be like to cook on a windy day. While many of the griddles were heavily affected by the wind, the Primate was one of the few that were able to resist it because of the recessed griddle surface. The Griddle Primate did great with searing smash burgers, as well as cooking an entire meal of fajitas for the family. It turns out the Griddle Primate is a really good outdoor griddle, and it's also a really good gas grill. Now, of course, we can't just tell you the great things about this grill and skip the potential downsides. So before we tell you number 7, I know based on comments we got in our previous videos, some people were concerned about the height of the lid being an issue on the Primate. I'll say that in my experience and the way that we use this grill, it's been a non-issue for me. I don't typically use the warming rack or cook taller foods on my gas grills, so the short lid bothered me 0%. But you may use your gas grill differently. Also, some people were bothered by the lack of a rotisserie option on the Primate compared to other gas grill options. In this case, it comes down to deciding which you would use more, the griddle or the rotisserie. I know the way I personally cook, I would use the griddle 10 times more than the rotisserie, but everyone is different. Now, one concern that has been a slight issue for us is griddle storage. You have to consider where you'll stick the griddle when it's not in use. The grill grates can easily be stored in the cart when you're using the griddle, but it doesn't work the other way around. It's a slight inconvenience. However, storing just the griddle top is probably easier than storing an entire second appliance. Am I right? Actually, a side note, if you purchase the Primate built-in cabinet for an outdoor kitchen build, that does have a place to store the griddle top. So that sounds like a great excuse to finally build that outdoor kitchen you've been wanting, if you ask me. Now, price, of course, is another consideration. Not everyone has $1,000+ in their budget for a single outdoor cooking appliance. But let me remind you, this is not a single cooking appliance. You're getting 2 for the price of 1 here. Now, coming in at number 7, the Primate offers versatility that we haven't found in any other appliance. We love that the Primate comes with 100% griddle and 100% grill grates. However, you may find that there are times that you want the best of both worlds at the same time, and Grilla does offer a 2/3 griddle that can be used side by side one of the existing grill grates. So you can griddle and grill at the same time if you want to. Do you want it in a standalone cart? Great. You want it in an outdoor kitchen? That works too. Natural gas, propane tank, there are just so many different ways that the Primate can be used and customized to how you want to use it. However, if you're still on the fence and considering a grill or a griddle, be sure to check out our 2 roundups that we have linked in the description below. Thanks for checking out this video. Smash like if you got value, and we will see you next time.